Hello guys, welcome to the Python tutorial series. In this part, we are going to continue with tuples. Let's see how to create a tuple with a tuple function. For example, if we already have a list named my list like this, my list equal to list of 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, then we can convert it into tuple with the help of tuple function, like by this way. Uh, my underscore tuple equal to uh, tuple of my list. Okay, now if you print my tuple, it will be converted into tuple. Okay, let's see the output. See, now it is converted into tuple. This is how tuple function works. We can also directly convert like this. Let's back to the coding. Just a minute. Just a minute. Yeah, now it's okay. Done. Instead of like this, we can directly print a uh, tuple of my list. Like, sorry, just a minute. Print tuple of my list will directly print the tuple value. Okay, see this. Yeah, we got the required output. We can use tuple function to explicitly convert list to tuples. Okay, this is the way using tuple function. And also we can directly use with bracket and without bracket. See, okay, just a minute. I will switch the screen back. Sorry, sorry, just a minute. Yeah, in this case, we've seen how to create with a tuple function. We can also create it with bracket and without bracket. While creating with bracket, if we enter only one element, then it will be considered as integer type like this. Sorry, my tuple equal to 10. This is the normal way to create tuple, but in for tuple, it is for single amount, it will not consider as tuple. It is considered as an integer like this. If we print the type of my tuple, control plus S and the F5. If you see the output, see here you can see the output class int. Uh, so it is not considered as tuple. Okay. To make it as tuple, we need to include one comma like this. After 10, one comma should be included. Now it is considered as tuple. Control plus S and F5. Let's see the output. See. Now you can see it is of type tuple. Okay. To make one element as a tuple, we need to include comma after it. Okay. This is the way to create a tuple for a single element. You can also create it in the similar way without braces also. Okay. Done. And after that, same for accessing variables. Uh, Same as compared to previous things. Let's see how to access values in tuple. Okay, I will comment this. Okay, accessing values in tuple. Okay, right. Done. Let's create a tuple. My like 12 comma 78 comma 91 comma mm, Ram Ravi comma 3.14 comma 69.48. Okay, let's sorry sorry. Yeah, now we created a tuple, okay, with a combination of values, integer, strings, and float value. Okay, let's see how to access these. To access all this, just print my tuple is enough. Okay, to access from so print my tuple is enough. Okay, let's see the output. Control plus yes and F5. Let's move to the output screen. Yeah, now we can see 12, 78, 91, RAM, Ravi, 3.4, 69.48. Okay, to access all this value, just print is enough. Okay, let's move back to the coding part. If you want to access the particular element, then same for like a list on the strings. Okay, like for example, print my tuple of like 3 will print RAM. Okay, control plus yes and F5. Now you can see the output. Just a minute. See, this RAM is printed separately. Okay, to access particular element, same as list and strings. Okay, same index scenario. Okay, this is in the case of accessing elements. We can also access from starting to ending with specific values like print my tuple of like 2 to 5, which means 2 to 4 will be accessed. Okay, and then like without n value, from we can access like we can start it with 4 only until its last value, and same we can start from default value. Okay, we can start from default value and end with specific value. Okay, this is the way to access, and also we can without any start and end values, it will be complete value will be printed. Control plus yes and Fi. Sorry, spelling mistake. Control plus yes and Fi. Let's move back to the output screen. You can see the all outputs together. Okay, like why I don't explain all these line by line is we already cover these in strings and list. So I'm just making the examples. Okay, you can easily understand. Okay, if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. I will clear those things. Yeah, this is the way to access tuples. Okay, and now let's learn about update and delete tuple. After that, we will continue this section. Okay, okay, okay. There are a few topics only left with tuples, so we can easily cover those things within 20 minutes. Okay, within 20 minutes. 15 minutes we will complete tuple, and then in this class we will try to complete set. After next section we will focus on dictionary. Okay, and that class dictionary will be over. Okay, let's move back to the coding. I will comment this. Now we are going to learn about update and delete tuple. Okay. Okay. Updating and deleting tuple. We already know tuple is immutable, so the element in tuple cannot be changed. Instead of altering values in a tuple, joining two tuple or deleting the entire tuple is only possible. Okay. For example, tuple 1 equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Then tuple 2 is equal to like 4 comma 5 comma 6. Tuple 3 is equal to tuple 1 plus tuple 2. Then print tuple 3. Okay. Control plus yes. And F5. Now you can see these two couples, these two tuples will be um, merged together and then stored on tuple 3. Okay, let's see the output. See, 1 to 6 is printed. Okay, in this case, we created two different tuples and concatenated it using plus operator uh, and stored data on third tuple and printed it. Okay, this is the way to print it. Okay, uh, yeah, done. Um, okay, let's see. Let's continue. Now we completed update and delete. Sorry, we completed update. Let's see about delete. Delete is nothing but just del tuple 3. That's it. If you try to print it, it will show error. See F5. Now the tuple 3 is printed because after the tuple 3 deletion, we didn't try to print it. Now let's try to print it. Print tuple 3. Okay, control plus yes and F5. Now it will give an name error. Okay, see. Yeah, name error. Tuple 3 is not defined. Did you mean tuple? Okay. This case, what is happened is we deleted tuple 3. Sorry. So after deletion, we can't able to access the variable. After that, we need to again create it. Then only we can access those values. Okay, this is the way to delete tuple. We can only delete the entire tuple, not individual elements, because every element in a tuple is immutable. So there is no chance to delete individual values in tuple. Okay, done. Now tuple update and tuple deletion is over. Let's continue with the tuple assignment, which is nothing but we can assign it as expression or individual values. Let's move back to the coding part. See, in this case, okay, first I will comment these lines. Okay, assigning values. Okay, just like this. Okay, if we can assign a comma b comma c, normal mathematical assignment like that only we use in Python. Okay, 34, 90, comma 76. It is too easy. If you printed e print double quotes a equal to close the double quotes on space before that. Okay, then sorry, comma a, this line print double quotes b equal to double quotes comma b, close this, print double quotes c equal to space close double quotes comma c. Okay, let's see the output. Control plus yes and F5. Now you can see the output. A value b c is assigned. Okay, this is the way to assign in tuples. Okay, we can also use expression. Okay, and after that we are going to learn about nested tuple. Sorry. Okay, nested tuple. Sorry. Yeah. Nested tuple is nothing but tuple contained inside another tuple is called a nested tuple. Like my like nickname as toppers to you. Okay, let's create one tuple. Inside that we will create another tuple like Ram, comma, his mark is 90. Sorry, Ram 98.7. After that, one comma, and then next values like double quotes Ravi, uh, double quotes, comma 97.05. Just close this comma. Then Mohan, close this comma like 96.00. Okay, like this for I in toppers. Let's print the I. Control plus S and DFI. Just a minute. Yeah, T should be caps. Control plus S and EFI to run it back. Now let's move to the output screen. See, now you can see those tuples are printed individually. Okay. In this case, first three tuples is combined and stored inside one tuple. By accessing each elements of the combined tuple, and then we print, then it will print those elements as individual tuple values. Okay, that's all. This is nested tuple. I think so. This much is enough for tuples. Now let's move to the next topic. Let's move back to the coding. I hope the screen is visible. If you have any doubts in tuples, let me know. Okay. Now, our next topic is sets. Okay. Let's move towards it. Okay. Back to coding. Now, the third topic of this data type part, that is sets. We already learned those things in our max, okay, of class 10th, like that. Okay, set is nothing but in Python, set is another type of collection data type. Set is mutable and unordered, which means if you if you created a set like my set equal to 1 2 3 4 5, then it don't need to print in the same order. It can be 1 2 3 4 5 or 2 1 3 4 5, like that. Whatever order it may be, it will display it. And also, at first time if you compiled it, then it will show one number, and for next time it will show different sequence. So it is called as unordered collection data type. Okay. And also it doesn't allows duplicate values like in test tuple list. We can assign same values for multiple times, like a 12 comma 12 comma 1, like that. We can assign same value um, multiple times. Okay, so in this case it is not allowed. Okay, we can't able to assign a value more than one time. It maintain the individuality. Okay. Okay, this means element within a set cannot be repeated. Okay, this is especially useful for member testing and eliminating duplicate elements. Okay, let's see how to create a list, sorry, set. Okay, like let's name it as set1. Okay, s1 equal to like set bracket. This bracket is called set bracket, like 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma like a comma 3.14. We can give any kind of data type. Okay, control plus yes and fi. Sorry, we didn't print. First we need to print s1. Print s1. Okay, control plus yes and fi. Let's move back to the output. Now you can see 1 2 3 comma 3.14 and a. Okay, like this it order will change. It is on order collection of data type. Okay, now we again back to the coding and run it again. Now I again run it. Let's move to output and see. Now it is a 2 3 3.14 and 1. Now its order is changed, so it is called as unordered collection of values. Okay, unordered data type. Okay, um yeah, this is the way to create set. We already discussed that it doesn't allows duplicate values. Let's check if we give one value more than one time, then what will happen. Okay, let's check it again. Let's create one more set name s2 equal to same 1 comma, sorry, 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma like a 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma a closed comma 3.14 like this. Then let's sorry, then let's print s2 and check what is happening. Print s2 control plus s and fi. Let's see the output. Now you can see 1 comma 2 comma 3.14 comma a. See, only one 2 is printed. Okay, another 2 is not displayed in the output. Okay, so duplication is not allowed. One value is allowed to print only one time, not more than one time. Okay, if you assign more than one time, then it will be only one time printed, not the second time. This is how set works. So by these two examples, we concluded that it is unordered and it doesn't allow duplicate values. Okay, let's move to the next topics. Creating set use. Okay, now let's see how to create a set from list and a tuple. Okay, let's move back to the coding part. First, I will comment these parts. Okay, creating sets using list and tuple. Like now we are let's create my list equal to like 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 23 comma 18. Okay, like this. Okay, then we can convert it to my set equal to set of my list. This is enough. Okay, now we can print my set. Control plus yes and if I let's now you can see the output. See, this has happened. It is converted into set. Same for tuple. Let's move back to the coding part. You can see that my tuple equal to like this, like 56 comma 74 comma 11. We can convert it into my set 2 equal to set of my tuple. Okay, we can print it. Print my set 2. Okay, control plus yes and dfi. Let's let's move back to the output. Now you can see two sets is created. Okay, this is how we can convert a list or a tuple into set data type. Yeah. Now we are going to learn about set operations. Okay. Previously we discussed how to create a set and also learned it doesn't sorry, it doesn't allow duplicate values, and it is unordered collection of data types. Okay. Now we are going to learn about set operations. This is one of the important thing. Now we are going to learn about set operation. First I will comment these things. Yeah. Now we are going to learn about set operation. I hope the screen is visible. Okay. Set. Okay. Set operations. First we are going to learn about union. Union is nothing but it includes all elements from two sets. Okay. For example, if we created two sets named a equal to set of 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8, and then one more set like b equal to set of like a comma b comma c comma d. Okay, like this we can include all elements using union operator. Okay, union operator is pi. Just a minute. Yeah, this is union operator is this pi. This is called pi. Okay, we can done it like c equal to a pi b. This is a union b. Now if you print, see both elements from a and b is included. Control plus yes and fi. Let's see the output. Now you can see 2 comma 4 comma 6 b 8 d a c, which means all elements from both set A and B is included together in C. And there is also one more way to perform this union operation, that is using A dot union of B. Okay, I will comment this, and now we include that line. C equal to A dot union of B. Control plus yes and Fi. Now you can see the output. Let's move back to the output screen. See, same thing is happened. This two order is different because set is unordered data type. Okay. This is the way to perform union operation onto sets. Okay. Now let's go with the next operation. Let's move back to the coding part. Now the next one is intersection. It includes common element in both sets. Like its operator is and. Is and. Okay. Intersection operator is and. Okay. Let's see how to perform. Like first of all, we will comment the previous one. Yeah. A equal to same values 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8. Sorry. Set of 2 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 like this comma 9. Let be equal to 1 comma 2 comma 8 comma 6 comma 9. The common values are 2 6 9. Now those three values will be stored on C. C is equal to A and B. Let's print C. Control plus S and DFI. Let's see the output. Now 9 2 6 will be, I mean 2 6 9 will be included. See, 9 2 6 is stored in C. This is the way to perform intersection operation. It includes common values in the two different sets. We can also perform this intersection operation using intersection function like this. I will comment this. C equal to A dot intersection of B. Sorry, now you can see. Okay, control plus yes and DFA. Now you can see the output. Okay, done. Now the same thing is happen with the function also. We can use operator, or otherwise we can use this function name. Okay. Now the third function is difference, and fourth one is symmetric difference. After that set will be over. Then we will go with the dictionaries. If we have time, then we will try to complete dictionary within the section itself, so that from next class onwards we will start with classes and objects. Okay, let's move back to the coding part. Okay, let's comment this. Okay, the third one is um, difference, which is nothing but if it includes all elements in set 1 but excluding set 2. If you can see its operator is differentiation operator is minus. Okay. For example, a equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, b equal to 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Let's perform c equal to a minus b. Then um, uh, a value all a values excluding those values present in b. If see in this case, 3, 4 and 5 is present in b, so those values will be not included in the output, and also the remaining values of b, which means here 6 is the remaining value, that is also not included in the c. Okay, now let's see the output. Print C, control plus yes and F5. Let's move back to the output. See, 1 comma 2 is only stored because 3, 4, 5 are present in B, and 6 is also in B only. So those values are excluded, and the remaining values present in A is um, stored inside C, and we printed it. This is the uh, difference operator. Now the next thing is symmetric difference, which is nothing but now the 6 will be also included like that. Okay, you can directly see, yeah, we can use difference function to perform difference operation similar to the previous two one. A dot d difference of b control plus, sorry, control plus yes and if file. Let's move back to the output. Now you can see 1 comma 2 is printed. Okay, similar to the previous thing. That's it. Now we are going to see about uh, sorry. Now we are going to see about symmetric difference, which means it includes both values from the A and B. Common values will be excluded. Okay, fourth one, trick difference. Sorry. Okay. Uh, it includes elements from both sets excluding common. Okay, that's it. Excluding common value, it include all the elements. Sorry, just a minute. Yeah. For example, a equal to same as previous 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, and then b equal to 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Print, sorry, c equal to a. Now the symmetric difference operator is caret operator. Okay, symmetric difference operator is this this one, the upper arrow mark. This is called caret operator. This name is caret operator. Okay, print C. Control plus S and F5. Now, now 6 will be added. See, 1, 2 and 6 is added. This is the difference between symmetric difference and a normal difference. Okay, now you can understand what is difference between normal difference and symmetric difference. And Yeah, we can also perform it with different operation. Like I will command this C equal to A dot difference of P control, sorry, control plus S and Fi. Okay, sorry, just a minute. Yeah, now control plus S and Fi. Let's move back to the output. Sorry, symmetric difference, not difference. Sorry for the mistake. Um, in the case of symmetric difference, we need to use symmetric underscore difference of B. In all the previous cases, we just use the name and encloses it the second set with braces. For symmetric difference, we need to write set first set name dot symmetric underscore difference of second set name. Okay, this is the procedure. Control plus S and F5. Let's move back to the output. Now you can see 1, 2, and 6. Okay, this is how to perform symmetric difference. Okay, let's move back to the coding and see the last topic, that is set. Sorry, difference. Sorry guys, that is dictionary. Okay, we cover a set and difference and symmetric difference. Now we are going to see about dictionary. This is also similar to set, but it is like key value pair. Okay, okay. I hope the screen is visible. Yeah. Now dictionary. Dictionaries. Okay. In Python, dictionary is a mixed collection of elements. Unlike other collection data types, such as list or tuple, the dictionary type stores a key along with its element. The key in a Python dictionary is separated by comma, while the comma work as a separator for the element. The key value pairs or enclosed with curly braces, like which is nothing but it is a key value pair like roll number, name, class, marks, like that. And also one more thing I forgot to discuss about sets. Like for previous things, like if you give my list equal to square bracket, it will be an empty list. But in this case, like my dictionary equal to only set brackets. It is not set. It is dictionary. Now you can understand. Print type of my underscore dict. Control plus yes and F5. Let's move back to the output screen. See, this is only dictionary. For set, my set equal to just set of function. Control plus yes. Sorry. Print type of my set. Control plus yes and F5. Now let's move back to the output screen. See, this is set. This one is dictionary. If you created an empty empty thing with a set bracket, it is not considered as set. It is dictionary data type. For set, if you want to create an empty set, you can only use the sorry, or if you can only use the set function. No other kind of things. Like for a list, we use a square bracket. For a tuples, we use a normal parenthesis. But for a for a set, we can only use set of function only. Otherwise, otherwise it will be considered as dictionaries only. Okay, no other kind of ways to create. Okay, are you clear with this? If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I will clear those doubts. Okay, yeah. Now let's continue. Let's see. Let's move back to the coding. Let's see an example for a dictionary. I will comment all these like an example, like dict underscore of student equal to like roll number. This is the first, which is called key in dictionary. Okay, this roll number is called key. Now we need to use colon to separate this value. Okay, now here what we are going to enter is that is called value. We are going to enter 1 2 3 4. Okay, we are now using it in string. It can be whatever string or whatever we want to. Okay, see, this is the way of creating dictionary. We can also continue it with comma, like name colon ram comma marks colon a single quotes like 98. Let's print it. Print, sorry, print dict underscore std. Control plus S and F5. Let's see the output. It is printed in dictionary form. Key, first roll number is key. 1 2 3 4 is value. Name is key. RAM is value. Mark is key. 98 is value. This is the way to create an dictionary. Okay. By this only we can create dictionary. Okay. I hope you understand these things. Okay. Um, just a minute. There is a little bit network issue. Okay. This is the way to create it. Let's again move back to the coding part and let's discuss how to do dictionary comprehension. Okay. Same as list comprehension. Okay, now we are going to discuss about dictionary comprehension. In Python, comprehension is nothing but that is a sequence of values. Okay. Uh, in Python, comprehension is another way of creating dictionary. The following, yeah. See, which is nothing but comprehension is created based on a condition. We already discussed it with the list. Now, same as with the dictionary, like okay, dictionary. Dictionary comprehension. Yeah. Now, now we are going to discuss about it. Just a minute. Sorry, a little bit network issue. Yeah. Okay. Now, dictionary comprehension. Let's see an example. Like we will create a square of values, so, or a multiple of values like that, whatever we want. Like dictionary equal to x is, which means x is key, is to separate value to sorry x star star 2, which is power of values for for x in range, sorry, x in range of like 1 to 11, sorry, 1 comma 11. So we can, sorry, so we can get values till 10, which means till 10 we can get key and value pair. Okay, we should include both key and value for a dictionary, otherwise it is not considered as dictionary. That you should be always minded that thing on. Okay, let's print it and check its output. Print dict, sorry, yeah, print dict, control plus yes and fi. Let's move to the output screen. Just a minute, we'll switch to the output screen. Sorry, sorry for the delay. Just a minute. Yeah, now only it's working. Sorry for the delay. See, 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9. 4 power 2 is 16. 5 power 2 is 25. 6 power 2 is 36. 7 power 2 is 49. 4, 8, 64. 9, 81. 10, it's 100. Yeah, this is the way to create dictionary comprehension. Okay. This is similar for whatever we, if you want, you can create for 10 to the power of x, whatever if you want, you can, it can handle it. And let's see how to get the values for individual things, like the previous thing we created and directly printed the entire dictionary. Now let's see how to access individually, and what will happen if we try to change its value. Okay, let's move back to the coding part. First of all, I will comment this. Now we are going to see uh, adding ring and sing values of dictionary. Like if we can create my dict equal to dictionary of, okay, like my dict equal to I mean set bracket. Okay, we can create as for previous thing, like sorry, like roll number, then 1 2 3 4 comma name, ram, comma marks, like 98. Okay, same as the previous thing. Now we can access individual elements, like print my dict, then now square bracket, we need to use roll number. No, roll number. Now it will print the roll number. Sorry, control plus yes and fi. Let's see the output. See, now we can see 1 2 3 4 is printed. Okay, which means roll number is printed. This is the way to access through key. Okay, if we try to access key, then it will give its value. Okay, this is called a key value pair. If you try to access scheme, then it will give its value. Okay, now we can also change the value similarly here.